Hello friends. Yeah. So today I will show you one demo. So this demo is a new software. It's built in ASP.NET MVC 5 technology. The backend we use SQL Server. So basically it's a news portal. Okay. So you can manage your magazine, blogs, and news videos, and news galleries. So first of all, I will show you the all front end demo. Okay. So how look like website will be. Okay, and after that I will show you the back end. After that, show you the coding demo, coding part, how the coding structure would be, and the database part. Okay, so we use here the code first technology. So basically this software, the software for developers, so developer can pick it and they can extend it for their clients and further sell it. Okay, so you can contact us for the price plan. So in a video description I will provide you the all URLs where from you can buy it, and you can contact us directly, right? So let's start video. So it's a homepage basically. So there we is shown the breaking news. Okay, so it's a big news one. So most three big news are coming high here. The all categories here basically like a national, international, the all news, the latest news will be automatically comes here. The top news, trending news. Okay, so how you will manage it. So in the backend side I will show you the all thing like trending, top, and big news, breaking news, like that na. Okay, so it's a video. How to upload video I will show you in back end. Okay, so it's a category basically. So you can choose a category, okay, while you adding any new news, right? So all category I shown here like business. Okay, so it's a photo gallery. Okay, it's a photo gallery. So 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 there are also the Punjab news, you can say, the entertainment news, right? So here you can put your social links, your logo, upload your logo back side. We go on top and we will check the story page. So this is the story page basically. Okay, the image, views count, sharing, tags. Okay, so the later news automatically comes here. The side you can change the category here. So also the category are visible here. National news, the paginations are here. You can there are no more news, so you can, it will automatically paginate, right? So similar to news there are videos page. Okay, all videos are there, and video story is a different page, so user can check the videos. Okay, right, so it's a video page basically. Chandigarh Punjab video page. If you want to see the gallery page, okay, so it's a gallery one. So so right now I uploaded only one pic for all. So it's a gallery page, right? It's a too simple and smart. You can use it, you can manage. Okay, so all galleries uh, visible look like this. Okay, so you can add multiple categories here, and multiple news automatically pages will come here. Okay, you can also search something, right? Now we proceed with the backend demo. It's a login page. I'm going to login with the admin user. So there are the dashboard, the total news count, total posted today. Okay, so I'm not posted something today posted video, album. Okay, it's all basically, right? So there are news, user management. You can manage your users, manage role users, menus like this side menu you can manage from here, and menu permission you provide any menu to any user, right? So further are category. There are news categories. You can add multiple news categories, gallery categories also, and video categories also. All are different, right? So it's a general setting, so developer can use in future if they want some key value. Okay, right now I'm not use basically. So it's a display view. What is a display view? Basically the special slider, top news, trending news, big news. As I told you, if you if you remember, I told you the big news. This is a breaking news, top trending. So it's a display basically. This is a master basically. Okay, so what a type of media you can upload. The master is here. Basically it's a master. Okay, so news status, publish, unpublished, try something. Okay, so it's it's that way you can manage your news, right? So here you can create a breaking news. So quickly you can create the breaking news. So here you can manage your the news. Okay, so news meta all SEO things are also implemented here. So you can choose a multiple categories where you put to news, select images, multiple images, display on. Okay, so it's all those things where I already explained you. You can put a hashtag source of this. You can also schedule it. Okay, and the last one is gallery management. Yeah, right, you can create first album here. Okay, after creating album, so the album or title, description, name, note, no, sorry, it's just for information, like image. Okay, so meta, description, title. Okay, you can choose a category here, sort order, hashtag, and news source. You can create a new album. After creating album, you have to come here, and here you can also modify it. After that you can add a images, like multiple images. As you know now, one album having a multiple images, so you can choose from here, right? So like that you can upload your data. So it's a short and sweet application. Okay, for smaller or bigger one, they can use it, right? So now I will going to show you the coding part. Yeah, okay, so it's a solution. So I already told you it built in MVC 5. So it's a front end solution. Okay, the all controllers are here, the views. Okay, views, and the unlayer architecture we use here. This is a backend project. Okay, so backend all things are managed, we manage here, controller. Okay, and this is the entity framework, all infrastructure of application, the mappings, and how much migrations are running here. So all things are db context, you can check here. Okay, the next one is model DTO, which DTOs I use here, and which models I use in application, those are here. Okay, and basically user repository pattern. Okay, it's a base repository, and in services I created a multiple repositories for all the fetching a data to front end, right? So it's application structure, it connected with SQL server. So basically it's our database tables. Okay, so migrations, history. Okay, album, category, the all tables. If you want to see some, so it's a news table which is holding the all newses. Okay, sorry. So that's it from my side. So you can contact us for purchase, right? So with full source code, if you get, so then better you can change for your clients. So thanks for watching, thank you so much.